Welcome to today's session. In my videos, I focus on delivering clear step-by-step exercise instructions tailored to people of all ages and fitness levels, ensuring optimal form and efficiency for maximum results. Every movement in your fitness journey counts, and that's why mastering the full details of an exercise is so important. In this video, we're breaking down the Plyo Side Lunge Stretch, a dynamic move that builds strength, flexibility, and control. Stick with me for the full video to ensure you understand all the nuances of proper form and reap the maximum benefits. Let's dive in. In a wide stance, with your feet well beyond shoulder width apart and toes angled slightly outward. Let your arms hang naturally at your sides. This is your starting position. Now, as you begin the movement, shift your weight to your right leg, bending the right knee to about 45 degrees. Simultaneously, keep your left leg fully extended and straight. With your arms staying straight, lower your left hand toward the floor, aiming for the center point between your feet. At the same time, your right arm should extend upward and over your head, forming a graceful stretch. As you lower into the lunge, keep your chest upright, your back flat, and your core engaged. Avoid letting your knee cave inward. It should stay aligned with your toes. Pause briefly at the bottom of the movement. Now, push off powerfully with your right leg and return to the starting position. Let's repeat this motion 10 to 12 times before switching to the opposite side. Keep your movements slow and deliberate, focusing on mind-muscle connection. Feel your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and core engage as you perform each rep. Breathe deeply, inhale as you lower into the lunge, and exhale as you return to standing. By maintaining proper form and focusing on quality over speed, you'll achieve the full benefits of this powerful movement. Stay strong.